Assalamualaikum kids. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, as you know that this is your phonic reader book 2 and today I am going to teach you the page number 38. So open the page number 38 and read with me. Children, this is page number 38. Now let's start the reading. YOUARER AFOOL fool means FOOL fool. You are a fool. Now read it again. You are a fool. THAT dad. THAT dad. IS is MY BOOK book. That is my book. Read it again. That is my book. ICOOK cook. THE the FRESH fresh. FRESH fresh. DISH dish. I cook the fresh dish. Now read it again. I cook the fresh dish. JUMP jump. INN THE the POOL pool. I jump in the pool. I jump in the pool. IT it. IS is. THE the BEST best. ROOM room. It is the best room. It is the best room. THE the BOOT boot. IS is. INN THE the HAND hand. The boot is in the hand. The boot is in the hand. HE LOOK look. THE the TOOL tool. He took the tool. Now read it again. He took the tool. Now children, we will read it again the whole page. Now read with me again. You are a fool. You are a fool. That is my book. That is my book. I cook the fresh dish. I cook the fresh dish. I jump in the pool. I jump in the pool. It is the best room. It is the best room. The boot is in the hand. The boot is in the hand. He took the tool. He took the tool. I hope children you will understand the spelling and the reading of this page. I hope you will read this page again and again at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.